All right, so it's been about a month since we've cleaned the bottom last, and we've been tied to this dock in a pretty nasty canal in South Florida. And I think there's some bull sharks under the boat.
As we've heard.
As we've heard, but Sion's from South Africa and he surfs J Bay, so he's not scared at all. But we've got this thing, check it out. This company, Remora Marine, makes these. It's an underwater boat cleaning device, and it actually has impeller system in there, so when you're using it, it sucks you onto the boat instead of pulling away. And it feels heavy, but they've designed it so it's actually neutrally buoyant. The saga of the bottom of Delos continues. We're so high, we're sitting on the bottom, that it's super easy to clean the water line because the water line's out of the water.